This is Nepenthes plant. It is also known as pitcher plant. It grows in rainforests where the soil has very little nutrition. In order to survive, it catches insects. Its leaves have changed into pitcher-shaped cups that act like traps. The plant makes sweet nectar to attract the insects. When an insect lands on the edge, it often slips and falls inside. The cup is filled with a special liquid that slowly breaks down the insect. This helps the plant get food like nitrogen, which it cannot get from the soil. Pitcher plant don't just trap insects. Some animals drink water or nectar from them. In return, these animals leave waste near or inside the pitcher, which gives the plant more nutrients. This way, the pitcher plant is part of a bigger system where many living things help each other.